I have an F-150 here. It's gonna get 2 doors. Some repair inside of here, it looks like.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness I come with the meals. Boy, I say come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow, mean I get watches and diamonds.
All right, I am switching things up a little bit today. I have some teardowns I'm gonna do for the day because our teardown guy's out. I have an F-150 here. This one dropped off yesterday. It looks worse than it actually is. Got pretty tore up. It's gonna get 2 doors, a new rocker molding, some repair inside of here, it looks like. I'll look at it better once I get it all apart. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this one taken apart. All right, I got this one all apart. This one, it turns out this rocker panel is a lot worse than I thought. It's actually folded over down here, and this is aluminum. So this is gonna get a rocker section. We gotta look up the procedures, but I think it's gonna get cut. I believe they have procedures to cut it right in here. I think you could go through there, but we're gonna look up with Ford and see exactly. All right, on to the next one. I have a Honda CR-V. This one got hit in the back right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one taken apart and see what kind of damage is back behind all this. To the next one. This one might end up being a total loss. We are not sure yet. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart and find all the damage, and we'll write it up and see where we're at. I'm gonna stop on this one. It might be a total loss. It has over 200,000 miles and it's older, so we're gonna finish writing that one and find out where it's at before I take more of it apart. But while he does that, writes it up, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this Acura here apart. Kind of a similar type of hit. So we do a pre-scan, post-scan on almost every car that comes in. We just finished up, this is the Aztec scan. They just finished it up for the pre-scan. So that's finished, and I'm gonna go ahead and start disassembling this one. One more clip.